Alright, you guys, so basically in this video we're just gonna be testing out the Sanity backend. So inside of schemas, all I really need to do is just create a new folder called types. You could copy and paste the ones that I'm gonna leave in the GitHub. But for now we're just gonna be testing out categories, and basically we're gonna create an object over here with just some properties, alright, and some fields. So you could just follow along on this, alright. And then we're going to create an index, and we're just going to export default as for each and every type, and we're just going to import them over here, right? We're just going to test out categories. And if we go into localhost 303,033, you can see test over here. We just created a test category. All right. Just make sure to also like in your Sanity config.ts, like in the video number 4, just make sure you add in the project ID and everything. Alright, let's go back into the front end and go into source and then pages, index.astro, and just make sure to you're querying out the categories, not the post in the previous video. And right now, if we go into here, you can find out that it's just bringing out a console.log of the backend category post over here in the front end folder, right? So this is just in the front end folder, as you can see, AstroJS blog, not the backend, and this is basically how you connect the two. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna be talking more about the schema types, because basically in the schema types we're gonna be adding in a markdown plugin. All right, but for now we're just testing it out with the categories. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and we're gonna talk more about these, all right, and all the plugins that are used in them. All right, see you guys in the next video.